Hey guys, this is Mike from Tech Reviews, and today we take a look at the Logitech Z313 speaker set with subwoofer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to unbox this nice little Logitech speaker set that I purchased. Now I purchased this personally because I play a game at home that requires some loud speakers when I play. If you guys aren't familiar with it, it's called Dance Dance Revolution, and I have a home pad set up for me. So I've been using pretty much what I've been using the past, I guess, year or so is a speaker bar that I've had for a couple years, and it's just not getting the job done for me as far as like the subwoofer version of it or like the bass. So I wanted to get something with a little more bass, and I stopped by Best Buy earlier, and I wanted to check this out because, you know, again, the speaker system is actually relatively cheap and expensive. This one is only $39.99, and it's for a 50-watt, again, little speaker set. Now, of course, it's not Bluetooth, it's not wireless or anything like that, but for what I need, I don't really need something like that. You know, again, this is for just home personal use, and I'm going to use it there. So, again, I'm going to, I guess, get this unboxed and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so not a very big box to begin with. I mean, the speaker set itself is not very huge, but this does pack pretty big amount of sound, so I do plan to kind of test this out. Maybe I'll get logged into YouTube over here and we'll check it out for you guys. Maybe I'll do like the lo-fi radio just to see how it sounds. But for the most part, again, I'm going to connect it a little bit over there on my TV, and we'll check that out. Let me see if I can get this unhooked here. It's only got like one piece of tape holding it, but it's a strong piece of tape here. So let's go ahead and get this going. Of course, you have your information that I probably don't need. And it does have instructions here, if you guys want to know. It just kind of shows you what you need to plug into what. It's pretty basic, and you can also even connect a headset to it, which is pretty cool, because if you have this connected to a PC and you decide, hey, you know, I don't want the sound to come from here, you can always just connect an auxiliary cable from your you know, from there to there, and you can even change the audio from there. So let's pull this out. I love how this has handles, by the way, and we'll have to move the box. But this is the subwoofer, and again, I wanted more bass, guys, and that's the purpose of me purchasing this little item here. Now, of course, I already have something here for my own personal computer, but again, it's strictly for this game. So again, you can see there, it's not too big, but it's not too small either. But it should be big enough just so it can handle some good sound here. And it does come with a few little, I guess, speakers to connect to it in the back, right? Again, it looks like these are solo speakers that you're going to have to connect with just one wire from the looks of it. It might just only have one cable for both of these speakers is what I mean, which might be a downfall for some people, but it could be a good thing also. We'll see. Again, I'm going to get this set up and we'll find out. But again, guys, let me go ahead and get this connected and then we'll see what it looks like. By the way, if you're wondering what the bottom of this speaker looks like, it does have that little bottom portion for the subwoofer speaker there, but of course, that's what it's going to look like on top. So just a heads up, and if you guys want to know what the back of that looks like also, let me show you that. But again, I'm going to get this set up. Alright guys, so here we are, and I have the speaker system set up here. As you can see here, the subwoofer is right here. I do have one of the speakers on top, and the other speaker is somewhere over here, like a little bit behind the TV. So again, this is my 50-inch TCL Roku TV. Again, my top viewed video on YouTube, so I will be posting the link for this and this down below. And as you can see here, I have a pretty decent setup. It's a mess still, but for the most part, I have my Xbox One Series 1 right there. My PS4 is set up over there underneath the TV, and the little PC that I have this running on is actually right here. So I wanted to test out these speakers, and again, let's go ahead. I'm going to try to get something that's non-copyrighted here. We'll see how this goes. I don't know why these case search things are popping up. I need to disable that app. But anywho, let's go ahead and click this. Let's see what comes out here. Let's see how it sounds. Excuse my slow internet connection, by the way. I might have to find something else with a bigger beat. And it's not too bad, guys. I don't have the volume even all the way up, as you can see here. Like, it's sounding pretty good on my end. Right now I have it like around 50 some percent right now. So again, like if I were to put something else on, you know, I don't know. I like to listen to Lo-fi. There's a lot of they have a lot of other cool stuff here. We'll go to the Blockbuster one now. Let's listen to that one really quick, and then we'll go ahead and end the video there, guys. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, just if you guys are interested in the speakers, I will leave a link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And hopefully, you know, if you guys are interested in a nice little speaker set with a subwoofer like this for less than 50 bucks, you can get it at Best Buy. Bass sounds pretty good, like I'm not gonna lie, it sounds pretty solid, and I can't wait to get this going with the game that I play it with. So sounds pretty cool, and I will use this for movies and whatnot also. Let's go ahead and pause this also, and let's just go ahead and get that game started. See how it sounds like with the speakers. I just want to at least get the intro sound of it. Now I can't play music from this game because I will get copyright striked. So I just wanted to show this again to you guys. See how it looks like on my end. See how it sounds. Might have to tweak with the audio a little bit, but for the most part, it doesn't sound too bad. Okay, hold on. I'm not getting any sound. Okay, that's interesting. All right, we got to try this again because I had it muted. I don't know what happened there, or I had the sound muted. So let's get this going again. The game did crash on me, by the way, guys. So again, you can only see my face right here because I wanted more of this in the shot. But I guess we'll see how. Again, it should be starting up just fine, and hopefully, you know, I can definitely use this to watch like anime or whatever else on there. But for the most part, the speaker system sounds really good.
Dance, dance, revolution. Let's
sounds really good, actually. And that's because I don't have the volume all the way up over here.
Single play. Select difficulty. Heavy mode. Select music.
Oh, I'm excited, guys. Okay.
Dance, dance,
well,
revolution.
that's going to be it for the video. Again, guys, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can check these speakers out. Very nice. Super impressed. Again, I knew I was going to be impressed because I've owned a pair of...
This is a game where you use your feet.
I've actually owned a game, or I've owned a speaker system with these before, and I've usually had no issues with these Logitech.
Push the two-player start button.
I've usually used these speakers in the past, and I've never been disappointed. So again, guys, Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, signing off. Smash the like button. Check the link below in the description so you can check it out. Thank you again.